It's just you have to flip the narrative. You have to think it's not down to the company to spot my value. It's down to me to articulate my value to somebody else. And when you adopt that mindset, as I say, that's point one of the machine. It's our own brain and what our brains do to hold us back. The other aspect of the machine that again holds us back is just societal norms. Again, it's that sense that a career trajectory has to go up, that it's a little bit uncomfortable to shift, make changes, when in actual fact, we can and we're going to have to. It's norms within organizations that say entry programs need to be targeted at graduates or apprentices. Actually, it could be career changes at any stage. It's societal norms that say these jobs must be 9 to 5 days a week. They don't have to be. And then you've also got the machine being huge, great government infrastructure that is just so, like the Titanic, just so grindingly, haltingly slow to change and doesn't adapt. So, people at this stage in life are up against an enormous machine of a lot of different cogs and wheels that in many respects do work against them. But it's incredibly disempowering to say, well, that's it. That's your lot.
If this has interested or intrigued you, follow and subscribe wherever you get your podcasts and get the full episode.